Be a dumb cat. Anyways, in the title it says be a silly cat. The game used to be called be a dumb dog, but they changed it to cat now. It's the same game. We're cats, but we find bones. We like bones. That's the strange thing. Anyways, so I'm gonna climb this thing. And I just don't know. Oh, thanks for the boost, Rex. Wow, that was a good splash. They should get rid of all the water in the server. We know. Press. Ooh, fun. I'm going to my room. Wait a minute. I failed. My room. What's that room? That secret room. Where did it go? Wait, it's not there. There it is. This is the place where I call my room. Cause why not? Nothing? Me. People took all the bones. Wow. No, not fair. I'll just draw around me. Yeah, I'm drawing. Hey guys. Yeah, so now I'm drawing. Alien girl. I'm a pink alien. Okay, so I'm a pink alien. Because I'm an alien. I'll make my whatever they're actually called longer. Yeah. And cheese and caramel. Dumb dog. We're not dogs anymore. Red. Cheese. Wait, what? When I'm red, the light is red. Alien girl was mad. Wait, let me do something more. Never. I'll just turn back to my normal self. Wait, should I be pink or trans? Time to be trans. I'm gonna be trans. Whoa. Whoa. Hi, dog. I don't know why you named yourself dog. Hi, sleeping dog. Sleeping alien girl. I'm gonna become sleeping alien girl. I'm gonna just sit here. Do you want me to dance? Okay, ew. Okay, I guess this is my baby puppy. And it's dancing. I don't get what my pup is doing. Ooh. Wait, what's 80 plus 80? No, I'm not doing that. Okay, is this pup actually following me?
Just leave it.
Don't follow me.
What's happening?
Wait. Hey. Now go. I'm a good alien. Nothing. Better be something new. One? Only one? You gotta be kidding. I only found one. No, I'm not gonna get the cheese touch. Chest touch. Chest touch. Chest touch. Ooh, wow. Okay, I actually don't know why I said ooh, wow. Time to make some disturbing music. My brother is right beside me. Yes. Wow. Yeah, I'm just randomly running around. Well, hi. I might change mini my amount. Put your tiger on the top. If you wanna let it go. And me, money more. Chose pink. Yummy. Just kidding. I actually chose chance. I just randomly picked pink at the end after we finished the song. Ooh, where did you find that skin? I didn't actually type that in chat. You could check the chat thing. No, chatted. You could see that. And, oh wow, why am I running? I'm not even moving. I'm not even touching the screen. And I'm running. Wow. Now I touch the screen so it'll move, but to like run or anything. Even if I was touching it, I wouldn't be staying in one spot. Would I? No, take a bone. Jump. And then I'm normal again. How do we even do that thing? Played confined dogs. Oh, donating anything. I ain't donating. I'm bored. Dude, what's that place? Let me go check it out. Oh, let me search for some bones first. Not kidding. Is that the nothing area? Where there's nothing in the bush? That same bush. There's never ever something there. Hi, Kyle. I don't have enough bones. Why is it so expensive? Why is it so expensive? Whoa. I like stuff. A ball. Roly poly. Anyway. What? So, guys, Thanks for watching and damn, he exposed my true color. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you want to watch more, subscribe. You could comment on the video if you want this video. You could comment on it. You could comment. Check the